Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve Codeforces around 952 division 4, fourth question, that is Manhattan circle. So here is the problem statement. Given a n by n grid consisting of dot and hash characters, there exists a whole Manhattan circle on the grid. The top left corner of the grid has coordinates 1, 1 and the bottom right corner has coordinates n, m. Point A, B belongs to the Manhattan circle centered at h, k. Okay, so yeah, on the grid, the set of points that are part of Manhattan circle is marked as hashtag. Okay, find the coordinates of the center of the circle. Okay, so here in the question, it is given that there exists a whole Manhattan circle. Okay, on the grid. Okay, so in this question, you will not get that half of the circle is given. Okay, or some part of the circle is given. You will be given the full circle. Okay, so yeah. So how will we solve the how will we find the center of the that circle? Okay, so clearly you can here observe that in this test case that if we for each column, okay, the center is in the column of the center is always the column of the first hashtag. Okay, look here, what is the coordinate of this hashtag? 1, 3. Okay, so it is in the third column now. So the center of this circle is also in the third column. Okay, so what was our logic? That the column of our center is same as the column of the first hashtag, okay, which is occurring in the grid. Okay, and for occurrence of row, okay, to find the row of the center, what we will do, we will count for the number of hashtags. Okay, the row which has maximum number of hashtag will contain the center of the Manhattan circle. Okay, so that's the basic logic behind this. So let's check the code. So what's the code? So we have created one boolean first equal to false. Why we have created this? Because we will checking for first hashtag. Okay, so if we get our first hashtag, then we will do this first boolean first equal to true. Okay, so yeah, now we have created two nested for loop. Okay, so in this for loop, inside j we have another for loop of k, variable k. Okay, then we have declared one character c and we are taking input of c. Okay, so if our hashtag is if our c equal to hashtag and our first is false, okay, means we have till now we haven't got our first hashtag. Okay, so we will do first equal to true, means we will get our first hashtag. Okay, and we will assign that column, index of that column in b. Okay, another variable b. Okay, otherwise if we get hashtag, then we will count the number of hashtags, okay, in that particular row. Okay, and now here we are checking outside this nested for loop. Okay, not nested for loop, the lower for loop. Okay, outside this lower for loop we are checking that if our count is greater than previous count. Okay, we are storing the previous count in here. Okay, if our count is greater than our previous count, then we are storing the row in the a. Okay, so a equal to j, and simply now we are printing a plus 1 and b plus 1. Okay, why we are printing a plus 1 and b plus 1? Because our index started from 0. Okay, but in the question index started from 1, that's why. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below.